Hello from Oldham Volkswagen, my name is Dylan and today I'm going to be showing you around this approved used Volkswagen vehicle. The Arteon Shooting Brake R 2.0 TSI at a whopping 320 PS comes available in a deep black pearl finish and it looks remarkable. The car has been well maintained by its one previous owner during its life cycle. As you can see, it's got a clean exterior bodywork. With the 19-inch Adelaide black diamond turned alloy wheels with the blue calipers representing the iconic R branding, it looks super sportish and will offer a stylish look. Powerful dimming mirrors which do fold in when locked to provide safety for the vehicle, minimising the risk of damaging them, great for places like shopping centres, and an electric tailgate which you simply hold the button and the key to access the boot directly, a great addition to this vehicle. With a fairly spacious boot capacity, long enough to fit stuff like golf clubs inside, additional storage space and height underneath there for a spare wheel as well. With ISO fixed points in the back for rear child seats, cup holders in the centre console, and USB-C inputs. The multifunction steering wheel gives access to the immersive dashboard display. We'll touch on this soon, and you can see we have the R embroidery on the Nappa carbon style interior upholstery with a panoramic sunroof, which does offer a diverse and dynamic driving experience, offering access to fresh air and light alongside a skyline view, perfect for all travelling occasion. The DSG shift paddles are for manual gear changing, and on the dashboard display it shows key information like your driving data, navigation and your lap timer. Heated steering wheel offers 3 different heat intensities to choose from, offering a cozier winter experience, and over on the left hand side you also have features like the adaptive cruise control to keep you at a safe and consistent speed whilst travelling on the motorway, ensuring confidence, safety and a layer of comfort for your everyday travels. Over to the infotainment screen, there's a wide array of different options to choose from, and you can actually configure your driving mode selection directly through the steering wheel. As you can see here, you have a wide array of different driving modes to offer a much more tailored experience. For example, comfort is for your everyday driving, while sport and race modes offer a more performance-based drive. And as we go into individual, we can actually tweak our dynamic chassis control to adjust the variable suspension to get it to that perfect experience. Go into our parking sensors. We have our parking sensors alongside the rear view camera as well, which does ensure confidence and safety on every maneuver, ensuring that we minimise the risk of damaging the car in any way. This is great for places like shopping centres, where traditionally it can be a little bit tight. As we do pop the car into reverse, these sensors and rear camera does automatically display, but it is nice to know we can access this functionality at any point we feel like we may need to. As we come outside of this and going into our App Connect, we can access the Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and our Mirror Link, allowing us to safely display our phone directly through the car to access driver-safe applications including Spotify, Apple Music and even Google Maps navigation if you do prefer. Lastly, the car incorporates the heated seats, with 3 different heat intensities to choose from, offering a cozier winter experience. These are separately controlled, so there's no arguments there, and a dual climate control which simply allows you to adjust the intensity of the blowers and the temperatures. That very simple, simply swipe your finger. You also have a synchronize button over on the master switch on the driver's side. On the approved used vehicle. This vehicle does come with a minimum of 2 years Volkswagen approved used warranty alongside 2 years roadside assistance and much more. To learn more about the vehicle or book yourself in for a test drive, please get in touch on 0161 825 8520. We're more than happy to provide more information or book online today.